From Wish TV and the All Indiana Podcast Network, this is the Daybreak Drive-In Podcast with Wish TV's Scott Sander. A Wish TV News 8 update.
From Wish TV, I'm Scott Sander with your Daybreak Drive-In for Thursday, January 18th. The state Supreme Court takes up abortion. A notable world leader steps down, and the Pacers' rough patch rolls on. The state Supreme Court takes up Indiana's near-total ban on abortions today. Justices will hear arguments about whether the law violates privacy protections under the state constitution. Abortions have stayed legal in Indiana, even with the new ban, under a lower court ruling. Arguments start at 9 this morning. The ACLU is dropping a lawsuit that challenged Indiana's transgender athlete law. The suit was on behalf of a 10-year-old student in the IPS system who wanted to play on the girls' softball team in conflict with the law banning transgender girls on school sports teams. The ACLU says the student is now at a charter school. A notable world leader is stepping down. In an emotional announcement, Jacinda Ardern says her last day as New Zealand's prime minister will be early next month. She gained widespread notoriety for her handling of a mass shooting, a deadly volcano eruption, and the pandemic during her 6 years in office. But the government has also come under sharp criticism at home recently, too. President Biden visits California today to see damage from several waves of strong storms. The weather has led to the deaths of at least 20 people. Biden has already freed up federal disaster aid dollars, and FEMA has sent some 500 people to the state to help. 5 straight losses for the Pacers. 126-106 drubbing by Oklahoma City leaves Indiana an even 500 on the season. Next up, the Nuggets tomorrow night in Denver. Notable passing in sports, Chris Ford has died. He made the first regular season three-point shot in the NBA and won titles both as a player and coach with Boston. Chris Ford was 74 years old. Mild morning gives way to falling temperatures this afternoon with gusty winds, scattered showers, some storms in the late afternoon and evening. High of 50 hits early. From Wish TV, I'm Scott Sander. Be sure to like and subscribe for your daily news updates from Wish TV on the All Indiana Podcast Network.
This is the Daybreak Drive-In Podcast with Wish TV's Scott Sander. A Wish TV News 8 update on demand. For even more, on demand and on the go. Connect with Wish TV on Facebook at wishtv.com and on the free Wish TV mobile app. Thank you for listening, and be sure to like, subscribe, and follow this podcast for updates every weekday morning on the All Indiana Podcast Network and wherever you get your podcast.